Alright, today's video, how to replace the headlight bulb in your Fiat 500. I'm just doing the driver's side today because the passenger side still works. Why don't you do both? Because I don't feel like spending $20. Don't lie, we all do this. We tell ourselves, let's just do one side first. Maybe the other side's good for another year. So, XtraVision 9012H or HIR2. So this was like $22, $20. That's why I didn't buy two. It's the driver side that needs a new bulb. So just follow the headlight assembly. Behind it is a cap. And I already twisted it. It was pretty easy to twist off. And then there's a light right there. Really simple. So we're gonna twist it towards us and then find it. There it is. There it is right there. Let's see, it's just a clip. Yep, single clip right here. This car's a 2015, 7 years old, so it's not brittle yet, didn't break. So new one goes here. This looks like yeah, did OEM use this one? Let's go ahead and put it in. Easy. There it is, new one in. Nothing's brittle yet, so just twist it back in. It's back in the assembly. It's in there. And now the cap. There's the cap. There you go. So let's look at the other side. Same thing. Kind of a tighter fit because of the coolant tank, but same idea. It's just on a cap. You'll have space this way from this direction. New light works. If you also did this watching my video, congratulations on a successful install. Passenger side still works. Hopefully it's good for a while so I don't have to spend $20 now. I like the 500. That's really a good detail. So next thing I have to do is clear out this headlight assembly. It's all hazy, so I'll work on that this weekend. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a thumbs up. Comments and thumbs ups helps my channel a lot. Participation helps my videos get recommended more by YouTube, so I appreciate you guys stopping by.